A Titan's tenure, iPhone 15 Pro Max. 1 year later, the iPhone 15 Pro Max. A Titan at launch. But is it still a champion? 1 year later, the tech landscape is different. New contenders have emerged. It's time to see if this phone stands strong or fades away. We'll break down the key aspects: battery life, camera performance, software updates, durability, all the things that matter after 12 months of use. Is the iPhone 15 Pro Max still worth your hard-earned cash? Let's dive in and find out. This is more than a review. This is about real-world use. The kind of experience you get after the hype dies down. Ready to see how the iPhone 15 Pro Max holds up? Let's go. Battery life. The lifeblood of any smartphone. The iPhone 15 Pro Max boasted an impressive battery at launch. But how has it fared over the year? The short answer, still impressive. Heavy users will get through a full day. Moderate users might even see 2. This is thanks to Apple's A16 Bionic chip. It's a powerhouse that sips power efficiently. Of course, no battery is immune to degradation. After a year, expect a slight decrease in capacity. This is normal for any lithium-ion battery. But even with the slight dip, the iPhone 15 Pro Max still outperforms many competitors. It's a testament to Apple's battery optimization and software updates. The iPhone 15 Pro Max camera was a game-changer at launch. It captured stunning photos and videos. But Apple didn't stop there. Software updates have unlocked even more potential. Computational photography is where the magic happens. Features like photographic styles and cinematic mode have been refined. Photos are more detailed. Videos are smoother and more cinematic. The iPhone 15 Pro Max camera has become even more versatile. Low-light performance has also improved. The larger sensor and wider aperture already excelled in low light. But software updates have further reduced noise and improved detail. Whether it's a dimly lit restaurant or a starry night sky, the iPhone 15 Pro Max delivers exceptional results. Section 4. Software Symphony, a year of updates. Apple's software updates are legendary. They bring new features, performance improvements, and security patches. The iPhone 15 Pro Max has benefited greatly from these updates. iOS 17, the latest operating system, introduced several enhancements. Focus modes help minimize distractions. Live text allows you to interact with text in photos and videos. SharePlay lets you enjoy content with friends and family remotely. These updates ensure the iPhone 15 Pro Max remains relevant and enjoyable to use. Beyond major updates, Apple also releases regular security patches. These protect your device from malware and other threats. With the iPhone 15 Pro Max, you can rest assured that you're running the latest and most secure software. Section 5. Durability. Built to last. The iPhone 15 Pro Max is a premium device. It's built with high-quality materials. But how has it held up after a year of wear and tear? The stainless steel frame is still as sturdy as ever. It resists scratches and dents with ease. The ceramic shield front cover continues to protect the display from drops. And the IP68 water resistance rating means accidental spills are no match for this phone. Of course, no phone is indestructible. Scratches on the display are possible. But overall, the iPhone 15 Pro Max remains a durable and well-built device. It's a testament to Apple's commitment to quality. Section 6. Verdict: a worthy investment? The iPhone 15 Pro Max. 1 year later. Is it still worth it? Absolutely. The battery life remains impressive. The camera is even better than before. Software updates keep it fresh and secure. And the durability is top-notch. This is a phone that's built to last. Of course, the iPhone 15 Pro Max isn't for everyone. It's a premium device with a premium price tag. But if you're looking for the best of the best, the iPhone 15 Pro Max is still a worthy investment. It's a phone that will continue to impress for years to come. As we wrap up our review, let's delve into the user experience and feedback for the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Over the past year, users have shared their thoughts and experiences with this flagship device. Pause 2s. Many have praised the seamless performance and the intuitive iOS interface, which continues to offer a smooth and responsive user experience. Pause 2s. The camera quality has been a standout feature, with users capturing stunning photos and videos thanks to the advanced camera system. Pause 2s. Battery life has also received positive feedback, with many users appreciating the device's ability to last through a full day of heavy usage. Pause 2s. Moreover, the build quality has been highlighted as exceptional, with the phone feeling robust and premium in hand. Pause 2s. However, there have been some concerns regarding the premium price point, which has been a barrier for some potential buyers. Pause 2s. Overall, the iPhone 15 Pro Max has garnered a strong positive user response, reinforcing its status as a top-tier smartphone. Pause 2s. If you're considering investing in this device, user feedback suggests that you won't be disappointed. Pause 2s. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more reviews and updates on the latest tech. As we transition into our final scene, let's take a closer look at the performance of the iPhone 15 Pro Max over the long haul. Pause 2s. This device was built to handle intense tasks, and over the past year, it has proven itself time and time again. Pause 2s. Whether it's gaming, multitasking, or running demanding applications, the iPhone 15 Pro Max continues to deliver a powerhouse performance. Pause 2s. As we wrap up our deep dive into the iPhone 15 Pro Max, it's time to deliver our final verdict. Pause 2s. Over the past year, this device has demonstrated remarkable resilience and performance. Whether you're a power user or a casual consumer, the iPhone 15 Pro Max stands out as an excellent choice. Pause 2s. From its robust build quality to its seamless user experience, this phone is a testament to Apple's commitment to innovation and excellence. Pause 2s. While no device is perfect, the iPhone 15 Pro Max comes impressively close, making it a worthy investment for anyone looking to stay ahead in the tech game. Pause 2s. So, is the iPhone 15 Pro Max still a champion a year later? Absolutely. Pause 2s. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and stay tuned for more in-depth reviews and tech insights.